welcome, come along to Teacher Tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today, we are excited to begin exploring numbers with our book.
Count with us, a journey into numbers.
Come along! Let's begin learning number 23. We have here 2 and 3. If we put it together, that is 23. TWENTY dash THREE. That is 23. For the first activity, we are going to box all the number 23 in the circle. 21, 22, 23. Okay, let's box that. 20, 16, 23, 21, 15, 23, 18, 19, 12, 23. We'll box that again. 22, 23, 20, 21, 23. Yes, we're going to box that. 14, 22, 19, 1, and of course, the last number is 23. So we will box that as well. Did you box all the numbers 23 in the circle? Great job. Now I want you to flip to the next page. For the next activity, we are going to select which pictures right here represents number 23. So let's start counting the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we cannot connect that one. Next, let's proceed to the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We have 23 flowers. So we can connect that flower to number 23. Let's try counting the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Only 22, so we cannot connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Only 22 airplanes, so we cannot connect that. Now let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we cannot connect that as well. Ooh, let's count the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Which means that this ball can be connected to number 23. So, did you also connect the flowers and the ball on your book? Great job. Now we are going to flip the book or the page while I am erasing my board. The next activity will let us color the box that contains number 23. So make sure that you have the number 2 and 3 that we put together and color that box that contains number 23. So let's start 20. This is 21, 23. So we can color this one. 22, 21, 21, 23. Yes, we can color this box as well. 22, 23, color it. 21, 23. Color. 21, 20, 25, 23. Yeah, hey, we will color number 23 as well. And 22, 23. Yes, we'll color this box. Let's color it. 20, 23. Another number 2 and 3. If we put it together, that's 23. And of course, number 25. So, did you color the box that contains number 23 on your book? Great job. Now, I want you to flip your page while I am erasing the board. Now, let's count the dots. Make sure that we have number 23. The dots must be 23 dots. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Great job. Now, let's count it again, okay? I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so all these dots is 23. We have a total of 23 dots. Okay, now we are going to see you for the next number, which is number 24.
Let's go, go, go. 21 apples on a tree. 22 fish swim in the sea. 23 birds fly way up high. 24 stars shine in the sky. 25 drums go boom, boom, boom. Fill the air, fill the room. Numbers counting one by